morning and welcome to very warm Manila. It's 31 degrees. So as you can see in the background, I'm in the Chinatown of Manila. It's among a lot of high-rise in the background. We have a lot of cool small stores everywhere. And these dragons you can see in the background definitely reminds me of China. I've actually lived in China the past 12 years, Beijing, Shanghai and Hong Kong. So it's very nice to see a little bit of the Chinese culture here. I've been having a lot of local food the past days, but I am looking forward to see if we can find some authentic Chinese food. There's a lot of noise in the background, but maybe we can find some spicy Hunan food, we'll see. So I'm just gonna continue walking around here, check all these cool backgrounds and see what you can find. So apparently this is the world's oldest Chinatown, at least according to CNN. As you can see in the background, a lot of people queuing up here for food. It's very mixed there. You have a bit of an old cathedral or something in the background. A lot of stores and traffic. See if I can find something interesting here. Already a lot of stuff going on. I'm pretty sure we'll come back here later on. Very nice to see this cool Chinese culture in the middle of the Philippines. When you walk around there, it's pretty mixed. Like 1 second it's a river, and then you have a small alley, then you have all these little shops in the background. Like noodles, a lot of Cantonese food actually. I really want some spicy Hunan food, but I'll see if we can find it. Small alleys and stores everywhere. You can probably spend the whole day just walking around here. We'll see here if there's interesting I can find, but still very fun to just walk around and get some steps in. Wow, here we're having the food. Nice spicy ribs and the sweet and sour. Thank you. It's very good. Thank you. So as you can see, we've got this amazing food here in the background. We got the ribs and also the squid and a lot of chili. And I've been missing this chopstick for a while. So let's dig in and see what we can try here. First up, a big piece of rib looking very promising. Deep fried. Pork, no bone inside actually. Very nice. Definitely very hot. Sometimes when you get this, you have like a big bone inside. It's a bit tricky to eat, but I think that's gonna be basically a mountain of meat. Perfect. Now we have this nice mountain of squid, I think here. That is looking crispy and chili. Let's have a bite. Crunchy, probably a lot of starch. Wow, that is one big piece with some green chili, red, a lot of good stuff. Ooh, definitely a lot of oil. A little bit of spicy, but not too much. Let's see if we can dip this in this sauce here. Let's try to mix a little bit of sauce here on top. I have a lot of good chili there. Yeah, definitely Johan approved. So my first Chinese meal here in Manila, Chinatown. Gonna walk around a little bit. It's actually Sunday today, so a lot of things are closed. But cool to just check around. Next time I need to find something even spicier. But I'm gonna leave you guys here and then continue walking and see what we can find around the corner. So after that very rewarding, very late lunch at like 2:30, I'm walking along the water. I think it's like the post office in this building. It's next to the water here. I just came up, crossed over here, gonna go under this bridge here, and then I think we're gonna get to a bit of the old part of town. I heard that there's an old fort and also some old murals. I'm not sure if I'll be able to see everything here. Just gonna walk around a little bit and digest after that very nice meal. But amazing weather here and great to walk with a little bit of the breeze along the water when we're leaving the Chinatown. So yeah, let's see what we can find. So after a lot of walking in this very hot weather, we're at the Plaza Roma here. We have a lot of cool architecture in the background. Also walking around and see these old white buildings. Really beautiful. I think I'm gonna walk in here a little bit. It's called the Intramuros. I'm really not for sure, but I'm gonna explore a little bit, see if we can find something interesting in here. So just a bit of a further walk from that square, we have the Fort Santiago here in the background. Really cool ruins that are torn down mostly, but you can go under the tunnel and check out a bit of a shrine. And look at all these beautiful murals in the background. But it's been a pretty intensive day walking around, exploring here, eating great food, seeing new things. I'm gonna leave you guys here. But if you wanna see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.